it's fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna country.
Hey y'all, what's up? It's Miss Machiavelli with another video, and me and my homegirl are going to Houston tomorrow for a little birthday trip. I turned 23 on the 4th of April and she turns 23 on the 11th of May, and so it is gonna be May 2nd tomorrow, so it's kind of in the middle of both of our birthdays. So we're gonna go have a good time and we're gonna be there till Cinco de Mayo. So this is gonna be a get ready with me before I go, like what I'm gonna be doing. I'm finna wash my hair, I'm finna, you know, get my body right, and I'm gonna just show y'all how I do that. So stay tuned if y'all interested.
Call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Open your mouth, you spoke good to me. I ain't been like you. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes, baby. If I'm crazy, I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for nothing, you pull up when I call. All the other niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. Left on her, now we mad because you let me low. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. Wash it off when you top me off, you know I be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Without a thought, we do it reckless. The nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. The nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I haunt you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes.
World, I'ma walk in direction. Without a thought.
So when I put this conditioning cap on, y'all, I left it on the entire time that I was washing my body and I was shaving, just to let it sit. Y'all, I usually shave with like a natural oil, like coconut oil or something, because I feel like it gives the closest, smoothest shave and have you feeling soft afterwards. But I didn't put that anywhere near my private area, just my legs for real, and my like armpits. Whew, yeah, I am refreshed. Man, you don't know what a mission is till you shave your whole body and wash your hair. What? Ooh. So a beauty hack is, after you shave, especially your hoo-ha area, Go in with some alcohol. I promise y'all, it is going to be a game changer. It's gonna help you not get no rashes, no hair bumps, all of it. That could have been bad. So it's really like when you go to the barbers. Like, it's gonna sting, but it is what it is. So get a little bit. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I put it everywhere I shave down there to get a cut. I do my legs. Now, y'all, I'm just gonna get oiled up so I could retwist my hair, so I could go buy some hair from the beauty supply. Yeah. I look refreshed, y'all, since I first got in there. I'm feeling refreshed. Today I will be doing a asymmetrical bob like I did last time, but this time I'm gonna be doing it with curly pieces added. So you guys, I hope you like the video. Please stay tuned. This is on a fresh retwist. What I'm gonna do is just take the clips out real quick. I'll be right back when those are out. So I'm using this hair, y'all. Some kid hair. I'm actually going to start off with the curly hair in the middle.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played it for me, used to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, you pull up when I call. All the hood niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on him, now we mad because you had me. Say fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. My shit off when you tie me off, you know I'll be slung. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in direction. Just without a thought, we could direct it. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how break it.
Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them.
Alright, y'all, but I did
Gotta
finish.
work for me. Just cause I want you
That's what it's
don't mean I
giving.
want you. I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes.
Yep. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.